What do we think? Adorable? Yes? Surely I'm not the only person who buys something and doesn't understand the sizing of that thing. It's either too small or too big. Let me show you the sizes so this does not happen to you. This is the exact size of the dryer sheets. Exactly. They're going to fit in there perfectly. And then you get a little wood lid. And in just a second, we'll put the little knobs on there. They don't come attached for some weird reason. Isn't that pretty? And then you get 3 of these larger circly ones. I like that there's an assortment. I would have liked it better if this one would have been square, like a smaller one, a medium-sized one, and then a square one. That would have been cool. I still like it. Then the lid. And then these cute stickers. I love a sticker. I love a sticker. I buy them all the time for organizing. And then the little scoops. First, we're going to put the knobs on and then we'll fill them up. You get a little screwdriver and the knobs and the little screws. And there is only one way to put them on because this is the part that's sealed down into the lid. So you put them on this way. That's the only way. Whoopsie. You don't want to lose the screws like I just did. Once that's done, you have only to decide which do you want them to hold. We're going to do one with laundry pods, one with scent boosters. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the other. We'll see in just a second. I'll figure it out. I love acrylic for making everything synchronistic. Everything just looks great when it's acrylic. I've got acrylic in so many rooms for organizing so many things. Oh, I creased the sticker. That's horrible. Doesn't that look so nice? If you, in fact, have dryer balls, clothing pins, cotton pads, laundry powder, if you have all these things, you might want to get 2 sets of these. Then you would be able to have everything in these cute acrylic containers and all matching. What shall I do with that last one? I don't know. I'm going to leave it empty for now because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. How about if we fill up some of these? Let's start with the scent booster. I love that it comes with the scoops. That never happens when I buy these kinds of containers. This is Downey's new pistachio. Oh, it smells so good. It definitely holds an entire container. This is the 7.8 ounce, so a giant one of these would fit in there just fine. Isn't that so cute? There's laundry pods in here. We've got the Tide. This is 32 ounces. They should all fit, I think. Thirty-two ounces fit. 32 ounces fit in there, but if you've got a container that has more than 32 ounces, it won't fit as good. I don't have any dryer sheets out here, but I will show you something interesting that I have. Tide has this new detergent, and they're in these weird shapes. That's what I'm going to put in there. The whole package does not fit in there, so I probably won't leave it, but just to show you, that's pretty cool. I think I'll have to find a bigger container for these. Or maybe I'll put them in here. Let's see how they look in here. Yeah, they look like cotton squares, don't they? But they're not. They're detergent squares. I don't know what's the best way to put them in here. Maybe like this. They smell so good. I don't think they're all going to fit in this, though. No, they don't. Lid still goes on. My lid does not fit perfectly. You can see it's got a little bit of a gap there, but the other lids do. They all fit perfectly. This one comes off easily, but the others have a decent seal. What do we think? Adorable? Yes? Hope that helps if you're trying to decide if you're going to get these. They're the perfect size.